Hi there, I'm Cecilia de Freitas of Remax Premier Prestige Properties. If you're looking for that perfect home with an incredible backyard resort, a saltwater pool, and an outdoor kitchen with every built-in convenience, then look no further. This home will provide hours of family entertainment at 186 Novaview Crescent in Weston Downs. You will also love the stylish and contemporary renovation throughout, waffled 9-foot ceilings, and custom kitchen and handcrafted millwork is just the beginning of countless upgrades. Come join me and enjoy the tour. If you would like to know more about this incredible home or book a private and confidential viewing, just email me at cecilia@ceciliadefreitas.com or just ring me at 905-605-8887.